Small business po for student, good idea yan. If you're a student, that doesn't prevent you from doing businesses. Halimbawa, pwede ka naman mag-tutoring business, di ba? A lot of your friends, kung nahihirapan at willing naman to pay, pwede mong gawin yon. May mga kakilala rin naman ako, they do some artworks for those organizations na naghahanap pag may projects. So again, let's be more creative. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang complex yung business. So i-check nyo na rin yung mga sites kung pwede ka rin kayo magturo doon, even if you are not a graduate, you're a student, pwede rin yung gawin. But even if you're a student, I suggest you level up, you do courses or certification courses online, and who knows, di ba? You might end up being employed, fully employed pag nakagraduate ka na. So share ko lang when I was a student, actually as young as grade 6, nagre-retail na ako, buy and sell. Kung ano yung uso sa school. Halimbawa, dati uso yung mga clips. So I would get also consignment, meaning hindi ko siya babayaran, pero babayaran ko na lang yung source ko pag nakabenta na ako, tapos ibabalik ko yung mga hindi ko nabenta. College ako, nagbenta rin ako ng mga pants, nagbenta rin ako ng mga polo. So ganun lang nagsisimula yon. But as long as you enjoy doing it and you learn from it. Like and follow.